That buzz. That's what I want to get rid of. That buzz. Never thought I'd be saying I want to get rid of my buzz. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Monday Trivia, where you have a chance to win provided you answer correctly in the comments below. Our answer from last week is... And our winner from last week is... Congratulations to you, strychninesugar! You'll be receiving an exclusive Nexusinyou666 Prize Pack. And you know it's full of goodies. I got to thinking, I've been doing this Monday Trivia thing for a while now and haven't done anything about motorcycles. Scratch that. Kawasaki. So everybody knows what a Kawasaki Ninja is, but do you know what year they first came out? I'll even help you out. I'll tell you what to Google. It's a GPZ 900R. And the first year it was built, it won Bike of the Year. So Kawasaki even started out on top with the Ninja. So what year was it? Was it A, 1988? Was it B, 1984? Or was it C, 1976? So good luck, everybody. Leave your answer in the comment section below, and I'll reveal the winner next Monday. Congratulations again to strychninesugar. You guys stay safe, and I will see you Friday. Also, I'm going to be teaming up with Dragon Blogger and This Bite's For You for a contest to win some gift cards. So stay tuned Friday. Most likely that's when I will reveal the contest.